Welcome you all. In this session, again we are beginning with geography's lesson, that is natural vegetation of India. The most important natural resources are the wildlife and the natural vegetation. In fact, the plants are the first form of life that appeared on the earth, followed by the animals and the human beings. Without the interference of human beings, they are formed and followed by these human beings. The natural vegetation, the areas are covered with the forest and the plants. For example, grasses, plants, shrubs, herbs. Many parts of the India, it is covered by these natural vegetation or the natural forests without the interference of human beings. We are found here variety type of the natural vegetation. Why? Because of the soil, climate and the physical features, which is displayed here on your screen with the help of map. The variations in the soil, the different types of the soils are found in the different area of the India. Even the climatic conditions we are experiencing here different. Why? Because of the location, relief features and distance from the sea. Even the physical features are also different in the different parts of the India, not the same. And because of these factors only, we are experiencing the natural vegetations in a different form, the types of the natural vegetation. We are experiencing the different climate in the different area. For example, hot, very cold or moderate climate we are experiencing. Once again, all these physical features of the India, they are displayed here on your screen. The Himalayan mountain ranges, the plains, plateaus, desert, eastern and the western Ghats. These are the physical features of the India. The different kinds of the natural vegetations are found in different climatic conditions. And even the amount of a rainfall in the different area, it is a different, not the same. And this rainfall is one of the very important factor which leads to the type of the vegetation of that particular area. The natural vegetation of the India, these are classified into the 5 divisions and these are displayed here on your screen. Tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, desert vegetation, mountain vegetation and mangrove forest. The first very important, that is evergreen forest or tropical rainforests, are displayed here on your screen. These are densely covered and it comprises a great variety of the plant life and which are found in the areas which areas having a rainfall nearby 200 cm. These forests are always green. These are very dense. And even the sunlight does not reach the ground. Why? Because of these are densely covered. You can observe here on your screen the different type of the trees shade their leaves at the different times of the year, not at the same time. Therefore, these forests are always appear in green, and because of that only these are called the evergreen forest. Such a type of the forests are found in the India in the different parts of the country. For example, Western Ghats, Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, the West Bengal and some parts of the Odisha. These areas are experiencing hot climate and even the humid climate in the short dry season. Basically, these trees are found there which are displayed here on your screen. Rosewood, mahogany, rubber, ebony, these are the basic plants which are found in the evergreen forest. Second one, the tropical deciduous forests. These forests are widespread in India. These are also known as the monsoon forests. These are less dense. Definitely plants are there, different variety type of the trees are there, but not like the evergreen forest. These are densely covered. But here less dense is there and shade their leaves at a specific time during a specific period only shades their leaves. They are found in the areas which areas are receiving rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter. Such a type of the forests are found in the different areas. For example, Ganga Plains, Shivalik Ranges, some parts of the Odisha, some parts of the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and the Jharkhand. The very important trees we are getting from such a type of the plant, such a type of the forest, and these are Sam, Teak, Shisham and Neem. Next one, the desert vegetation. When the desert name comes in front of us, that time directly we are going to Rajasthan. These are the dry areas. Very hot temperature is there, and these areas are receiving very low rainfall. These trees are very sparsely, not densely. You can observe here on your screen. Such a type of the plants are having long roots to help them to absorb water from the ground. The most of the plants have deep roots with the thick barks and long needle-like thorns. Such a type of the forests are found in the different states of the country. For example, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Deccan Plateau and some parts of the Western Ghats. The examples of the desert vegetation are displayed here on your screen. Mangrove forest. These are also called a tidal forest because they thrive in a tide-washed coast where mud accumulates. And these forests are found in the places which are flooded by the high tides, which rising and falling of the sea. These areas are basically of the deltas, the world famous delta, the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna river. And basically the Sundari trees are found in such a type of the deltas. That is a Sundarban delta. We are getting very durable wood from such a type of the forest, which are very hard, and basically these are used for the commercial purposes. For example, making the sleeper tacks. Hard, strong and durable wood we are getting from the mangrove forests. The next very important is a mountain vegetation. Dear students, the variety type of the plants are grown at the high of the mountain, at the middle of the mountain and at the bottom of the mountain or at the base of the mountain. This is because of in the variations of the height. The temperature decreases when we goes up, that temperature decreases. Why? Because of the altitude, and it affects the different type of the vegetation which are found on the mountains. Basically, the conical shapes, like conical trees are found there, and because of this conical shape, these are known as the coniferous trees. You can observe here at the high of the mountain there are the different trees, the different plants, the middle of the Himalayas. There are the different plants, and at the lower ground of the Himalaya there are the different plants. And basically, these coniferous forests are found at a height of 1,500 to 3,500 meters. The number of the trees are found there. The different type of the trees are found there. Alpine. Alpine means whatever the plants and the trees are grown at the high of the mountain. These are called the alpine forests. And the eastern Himalayan alpine shrubs also displayed here on your screen. These are the examples of the mountain vegetation. Dear students, in this session we have discussed about the tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, desert vegetation, mountain vegetation and mangrove forests. You can do practice with the help of these questions. We will stop here. Thank you so much.